In this video, I'm going to show you how to create weather chart animations just like this one. You'll not need to download any software, install any browser plugins, or do any programming. What you will need though is a premium account on the weatheroutlook.com website. To get one of those, just go to the home page, then click on the Your Account link at the top. It will take you through to here and you'll see the options. You can freely register. That creates an account. Once you've done it, you can then promote the account to premium status by making a donation. There are different options available. Once you've completed that, you can log into the site with your premium account, go to the home page and click on this link at the top called Models. It takes you to the inventory where you can select the different computer models and datasets which are available on the website. For this example, I'm going to pick the UK Met UKV. That's the high resolution model run by the UK Met Office. It will take me through to this page where I can select the chart type. From here, the default is precipitation and cloud, and the time step which I want to view the chart for. Now to create the animation itself, just scroll down, and because you're logged in, you'll see this button here called Animator. I'll click on it to expand the options, and here it goes. You can see what's available for a number of presets, some instructions for using it, and a speed setting, as well as the animate and clear buttons. All I need to do now is actually add some charts to create the animation. So to do that, I can just click to pick this one. You'll see it's added to a list here. I can then pick more by clicking on the hour steps or using the arrow buttons or the slider bar. So I'll just use the arrow buttons here to add a few in. A maximum of 34 is allowable. You can then see the list building up. There are a couple of tips at this point. One is if I've added a chart by mistake, I can simply remove it by swiping and pulling it off the screen. It's gone. Alternatively, if I want to add a chart earlier in the sequence rather than at the end, I can just go back. So I started at hour 52. I might want to add a pause, and the easiest way to do that is to add the same chart in several times. So I've added 52 in 3 more times, but it's at the bottom of the list. All I need to do though is drag it to the top like this, and it will create a nice pause in the animation. So to create the animation itself, all you now do is set the speed button. The default is 800. If I want to make it faster, enter a lower value. If I want to make it slower, enter a higher value. I'll stick with the default for now. Click the animate button and it's all done. But that's just in the browser. So what happens if I want to create a local copy of this? It's very simple. Just drag it to your desktop and you can use it elsewhere. You have that local copy. All done. It's that simple. Animator is available on most of the models on the weatheroutlook.com website. Not all of them, but most can now use it. And you can make animations across models as well, which is quite a nice feature. So if I wanted to do the comparison, I can pick from the presets down here, or I can click through to the different models and add charts from each of them before generating the animation sequence.